Welcome to Brain Vision.
For this question, the kinetic energy of the electron is given, and the value is 0.3450 electron volts. Now, if we compare this value with the rest mass energy of the electron, it's a pretty small value, so we can assume that the particle is non-relativistic. So further on, we can use the de Broglie's equation. And in the de Broglie's equation, there is momentum. And since the particle is non-relativistic, we can write momentum as 2m kinetic energy to the power half. Where did we get this equation? We got this equation from the equation that relates kinetic energy and momentum, which is k equals to p square by twice m. But since we don't have the exact mass given, but we have the energy given, so we try to replace mass with energy. So let's say we can do one trick. We can bring c on both the numerator and the denominator, so it becomes 2mc square kinetic energy to the power half. And since we have all the values given, the energy, the kinetic energy, and the h and c are constant, we can just plug in the values and we can get that the resolution or the wavelength is 2.09 into 10 to the power minus 11 meters, which if we convert this becomes 20.9 picometer.